Let me see, I'll show y'all the final look. How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick get ready with me. It's a date day, so not date night. We're going to the aquarium. I'm just gonna do my hair. I mean, typically my hair isn't in twists like this, but it is today. You could check out my next video. It's either up now or it'll be up after this, so you can see how I did these mini twists, but I'm just gonna put them up in a bun. I never really wear them down. And I kind of want it like kind of high on top of my head, but probably all won't fit. But I also have these hair clips that I was thinking about wearing in the back. So if all of them can't catch this bun, they're gonna catch this clip. Should I leave it in or take it out? I'll probably ask my brother, because he always be like, no, just, or yeah. So I'll probably ask him. Gonna do some edges. I really need some edge control.
I mean, basically like your voicemail box message for, and the person said,
Wait, can you play it?
Yeah, please leave a call back or
Did she want you to call her back or no?
Yeah, she would have been called back in 2 hours, but
okay.
I didn't want her to answer that call.
Dang. That's funny. Actually, I need to hurry up. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I'm actually moving kind of slow. I was doing good on time this morning, but so I'm just putting mascara on. My mascara, when I put it on, it gets my eyelash. Oh, it gets all up here. Like, can somebody help? I think I put on too much. One moment. Okay, so we're actually gonna start that over because I don't know what I was doing. Bruh. I don't know if it's because I'm recording or I'm like think I'm rushing, but this is acting. Slow down, Des. Just slow down. He'll wait for you. And usually I do this in the bathroom, but I just wanted like a new scenery for the get ready with me. Let's try this again. Actually, should I just put my dress on? I can't do this eye until I do this eye, so we're just gonna have to wait until this eye dries. Okay, so I'm gonna use my handheld mirror this time around, because maybe this mirror is just too far for me. Because I usually be all up in the mirror doing this part, so. What's going on? I don't know. This never happens. Should I just not wear it? All right, that's all that I is getting. So yeah, just gonna do the other side, and we're gonna be done with the mascara because at this point, I'm over it. I'm over it. Did that eye great. That went so well. I don't even know if I want to wear lipstick because I gotta wear a mask. Some lip gloss. Cause, yeah. Even though this will get ruined, but we're gonna be in the car for a little bit. Okay. Also think I'm gonna do silver jewelry today. Necklace says J'adore. It's from ASOS, I think. It was like $2. I just needed, like, you know how they be saying you're $5, $2 away from free shipping. So I found like the cheapest thing. This is probably from like Misguided or Boohoo or something. This, when the gym was open, the yoga instructor gave it to us, and it says, I am loved. She gave it to us on Valentine's Day. And then do I want thick hoops or thin hoops? Thin hoops, dainty. These, I don't know. Y'all can find some hoops somewhere, anywhere. Beauty supply store, anywhere. Okay. It's just not dainty enough for me today. I don't know. Maybe go bare hands today. Okay. All right. It's on the way. Let me see what the edges are looking like. Okay. All right. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. I'm taking this out. I'm not doing this at all. I don't even think it was... regular bobby pins. And I'm wearing Flower Bomb perfume today. It's like, you could wear this during the day, at night. I just love it. I don't want to do too much, but... okay, that's enough. Uh-oh. 2 more. 1 more. Alright. I think we're done. Let me see. I'll show y'all the final look. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy the rest of your day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Have an amazing day. Go out and continue to be great. You gotta remember these fish. These are pretty. And it's like they glowing. Is that really something out here? Like algae, I think. I want to touch it.